Hey friends, if Windows Store Get button is not working in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and it will open Microsoft Store once again. The next solution is to reinstall the Microsoft Store. We have a command line for this. Copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator and paste it here. Now, one may ask, why are we using PowerShell? That's because if you uninstall Microsoft Store, then how will you reinstall it? There's no place from where you can reinstall it, right? That's why we need the PowerShell command. And lastly, a good working solution that has been confirmed by many users. Sign out of your Microsoft account from the Microsoft Store. Sign in. And then sign in once again. Okay, this has helped a lot of users. Okay, it will ask for your system pin. You can simply use it and sign in again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.